Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I am going to show you today how I built this quick and easy DIY firewood rack. I made it from my front porch mainly as a way to access firewood whenever we have a new fire on the fireplace, and it'll get us through a few fires without having to restock.
Using only 3 sticks of some old cedar, I cut down my frame pieces on my miter saw and used a 6-degree angle for the bevel and miter cuts. Free plans are available on my blog at uglyducklinghouse.com, so you have a full tutorial and diagram for you. After all the pieces were cut, I assembled everything out on my new floating deck that I built earlier this year. My garage is currently under renovation to become my new shop. There's a full series on the deck too, if you're interested. Anyway, I built the first side as quickly as I could, mainly because I was a genius and decided that an hour before the sun goes down is the perfect time to start and film a new DIY project. The base was a total of 16 inches wide, with the 2x4 support sitting flush with the bottom. After screwing the base together, I added a second shelf about 16 inches up. I say 16 about because my wood was a little warped, so I just moved the support up as far as it could go and screwed it in rather than measuring. Then I copied the same spacing for side number 2. Once both sides were built, I screwed in 2 more 2x4 pieces on top to create the shelf. This allows me to keep firewood off the ground and lets airflow on all sides to make sure that the firewood stays as dry as possible. I also noticed at this point that screwing in those pieces to the bottom was a little difficult because of screwing in the top shelf support already. In hindsight, I'd still probably make it this way just because it made sure that the top shelf was straight and even between the 2 frames. Once both shelf supports were in, I attached a cap on top. I also think that if I weren't in as much of a hurry, I would have added wood glue to make moving things around a little easier. In place though, it's simple and an easy way to store all of the firewood that we'll use this winter. I haven't fully made up my mind yet on what color to paint it, so I'm leaving it bare for now.
Okay, so that'll do it for this tutorial. If you liked this video, please go ahead and hit that like button and also subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys next time. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Hopefully that did it.